transmitted diseases. It is also referred as STDs. Diseases which are transmitted sexually are called as STDs. These are the diseases which are transmitted sexually. Okay, understood? When the female and male do sex, then these type of disease takes place. That is called as STDs. This is also called as venereal diseases, VD, or reproductive tract infections. These are also called as sexually transmitted diseases or venereal diseases or reproductive tract infections. Some of the diseases are gonorrhea, syphilis, chlamydiasis, genital herpes, genital warts, trichomoniasis, hepatitis, HIV, AIDS. Okay, I have made simple trick so that you can understand these names and remember easily. 3G, HTC, 3G, HTC and yes. Okay, 3G. You have consider you have a 3G phone and HTC mobile. This yes we will consider as a cell phone. Cell phone. Do not pronounce it as a cell phone, but it pronounce it as a cell phone. Yes. Okay. 3G. We have 3Gs. Starting G is gonorrhea, genital herpes and genital warts. When you repeatedly memorize it, you will remember it. H refers for hepatitis B, and one more H refers for HIV AIDS. I have not written here HIV AIDS. Okay, next T refers for trichomoniasis, and C refers for chlamydiasis, and S refers for syphilis. Try to understand or just memorize it, practice it, but these are very important. See, AIDS can also be transmitted by sharing injection needles or surgical instruments, blood transfusion, and from the infected mother to the fetus. This AIDS is very, very dangerous. AIDS, genital herpes, hepatitis, they are very, very dangerous because they are not curable at all. Other diseases are curable, means they can be cured, but this disease is very harmful to the human beings. With the exception of AIDS, genital herpes, hepatitis B, other diseases are curable. What I said now, these three diseases which are genital herpes, hepatitis B, AIDS are very, very harmful to the human body. They cannot be curable easily. So, it is necessary to detect and treat them. When not detected and treated in a time, they can lead to pelvic inflammatory diseases, abortions, stillbirths, ectopic pregnancies, fertility, and even cancer. When you do not detect it and when you do not treat it in time, when you do not understand this diseases is in your body, then many problems can lead, such as pelvic inflammatory diseases, abortions can take place. What is stillbirth? Means after the 9 months baby is born, but it does not speak, means it is null, it does not cry at all. This is called a stillbirth. Ectopic pregnancies, infertility means not producing children, unable to produce the children, and even cancer takes place. Therefore, prevention and timely detection and cure of these diseases are essential to ensure the reproductive health. To maintain the reproductive health, to be perfectly well-being, it is necessary to understand, it is necessary to find out that you have a disease or not. So, it is necessary for the medical treatment to understand this. It is that do you have this type of diseases or not. Some of the preventive measures are how you people can prevent this. These are avoiding sex with unknown or multiple partners. Avoid not having sex with unknown people or multiple partners. Use of condoms. To check with the doctor when in a doubt. Making confirm with the doctor when you have any doubt with this type of diseases.